So in this question we have given two columns. First column is of compounds and second column is their uses, and we have to match the compound with their uses. So for CaOH2 we have and we know that it is of disinfectant nature and it is used in whitewash. For NaCl, it is used for washing soda preparation. CaSO4 and half H2O dot half H2O is used for making casts of statues and busts. And CaCO3 we all know it is used in antacid. So for option 1 it is B. For option 2 it is D. For option 3 it is A. For option 4 it is C. Correct option is third. Here is the details explanation for the following with the questions.